ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वति नमस्तुभ्यं भरते कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धं सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
अल्पाक्षरं संदिग्धं
विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
अस्तोभं
अनवद्यं च
सूत्रं
सूत्रं
सूत्रविदो विदुः।
उक्तानुक्तदुरुक्तानां चिन्ता यत्र प्रवर्तते
उक्तानुक्तदुरुक्तानां चिन्ता यत्र प्रवर्तते
तं ग्रन्थं वार्तिकं प्राहुः वार्तिकज्ञामनीषिणः।
तं ग्रन्थं वार्तिकं प्राहुः वार्तिकज्ञामनीषिणः।
अयुन्
ऐउन्
ऋलुक्
ऋलुक्
एओङ्
एओङ्
ऐ औच्
ऐऔच्
हयवरट्
हयवरट्
लन्
लण्
न्यमगणनं
न्यमगणनं
जभै
जबै
घढदश्
घटदश्
जबगडदश्
जबगडदश्
खपचटथ चटतौ
खपचटतौ
कपै
कपै
शशसर्
शशसर्
हल्
हल्
इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि
इति महेश्वराणि सूत्राणि
अकुह विसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
अकूह विसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
इचुयशानां तालु
इचुयशानां तालु
ऋटुरशानां मूर्धा
ऋटुरशानां
लुतुलसानां दन्ताः उपपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ न्यमगणनानां नासिका च एदैतोः कण्ठतालु ओदौतोः कण्ठौष्ठम् वकारस्य दन्तौष्ठम् जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम् नासिकानुस्वारस्य रामो राजमनिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे। रामेणाभिगता निशाचरचमू रामाय तस्मै नमः।
रामेण
रामाय तस्मै नमः।
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्।
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्।
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर।
रामे चित्तलयः सदा
भवतु मे भो राममामुद्धर।
श्रीराम शरणं समस्तजगतां रामं विना का गति।
श्रीराम शरणं
समस्तजगतां विना का गति।
रामेण प्रतिहन्यते कलिमलं रामाय कार्यं नमः।
रामेण
प्रतिहन्यते
रामाय
कलिमलं
कार्यं
कार्यं
नमः।
नमः।
रामात्रस्यति कालभीमभुजगो रामस्य सर्वं वशे।
रामात्रस्यति कालभीमभुजगो रामस्य सर्वं वशे।
रामे भक्तिरखण्डिता भवतु मे रामत्वमेवाश्रयः।
रामे
भक्तिरखण्डिता
भवतु मे
भवतु मे
रामत्वमेवाश्रयः।
रामत्वमेवाश्रयः।
रामो मे विगितं करोतु सततं रामं भजे सादरम्।
रामो मे विहितं करोतु सततं
रामं
रामं भजे
भजे
सादरम्।
रामेणापहतं समस्तदुरितं रामाय दत्तं धनम्।
रामेणापहतं समस्तदुरितं
रामाय दत्तं धनम्।
रामान्मुक्तिरभीप्सिता सरभसं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्।
रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्।
रामे रञ्जतु मे मनः करुणया भो राम मां पालय।
रामे रञ्जतु मे मनः करुणया राम मां पालय।
इदमस्तु सन्निकृष्टं समीपतरवर्ति च एतदो रूपम्।
इदमस्तु सन्निकृष्टं सर्वतरवर्तिरूपम्।
अदसस्तु विप्रकृष्टं तदिति परोक्षे विजानीयात्।
अदसस्तु विप्रकृष्टं तदिति परोक्षे विजानीयात्।
संहितैकपदे नित्या नित्या धातूपसर्गयोः।
संहितैकपदे नित्या धातुपसर्गयोः।
नित्या समासे वाक्ये तु सा विवक्षामपेक्षते।
नित्या
समासे वाक्ये सा विवक्षामपेक्षते।
प्रत्यया शिवसूत्राणि आदेशा आगमास्तथा।
प्रत्यया शिवसूत्राणि आदेशागमस्तथा।
धातुपाठो गणपाठ उपदेशाः प्रकीर्तिताः।
धातुपाठो गणपाठः उपदेशाः प्रकीर्तिताः।
सदृशं त्रिषु लिङ्गेषु सर्वासु च विभक्तिषु।
सदृशं त्रिषु लिङ्गेषु सर्वासु च विभक्तिषु।
वचनेषु च सर्वेषु यन्नव्येति तदव्ययम्।
वचनेषु च सर्वेषु यन्नव्येति तदव्ययम्।
सु औजस् औट्शस् ताभ्यां भिस् ङेभ्यां भ्यस् नसेभ्यां भ्यस् ङस् ओस् आम् ङि ओस् सुप् सु औजस् तिप्तस् झी सिप्तस्थ मिप्वस्मस् त आतां झ थास् आथां ध्वम् इट् वहि मगिङ् ति तः अन्ति सि तः थ मी वह मह ते गिते अन्ते से इथे द्वे ये वहे महे
महे
What was the last one we saw? This okay.
Happy, I think. Tush.
Tush dhatu, yeah. Tushyati. The Shrunoti, the form is different, so don't worry about that. We will see that later. All the others is simple. Tushyati, tushyataha. Then Ish dhatu.
Sir, one second. The last class actually you said Tushyati and the Dushyati also. What is the meaning? Dushyati?
And?
Dushyati.
Oh, that is another dhatu. Dosha. That is hatred. Dosha, dushta.
Okay, okay. Yeah.
That is different.
Okay.
This is Tushyati. Oh, okay. In Tamil, both look same, huh?
It is interchangeably used, so that's it.
If you write a Dushyati, we don't know what it is. Huh? Only like, one takara. Meaning is different.
Tarpanam and Darpanam.
Yeah. Both the meaning is completely different. Okay. That's why we don't, the transliteration is always dangerous. Okay. Tushyati is satisfied, happy. Dushyati is Vaikrutye. From that only we get the word doshaha, etc. I said, remember. To, to cause, to hurt someone. That's called dosha. Okay. Then Ishdhatu, next one. Ichchati. It's the same dhatu is there in many conjugations. We will discuss about some conjugations today. Sorry. I'll give some idea because suddenly I don't want to introduce. Slowly, little by little. Sandhi also we will see. And basic also we will see. And something more also. Slowly in course of time, everything will fall in place. We will get to the basics also. That Rashtriya Sanskrit Samsthan, that also we will do. Today, time not there. Next class. But I will introduce something about Kriya Padam, which I did in the Gurukulam also. Yeah. So Ichchati, let us take that dhatu. Ichchati. Okay. Ichchati, Ichchataha, Icchanti.
Ichchati, Ichchataha, Icchanti.
Should be comfortable in using Saha Ichchati, Tau Ichchataha, Te Icchanti. Sa Ichchati, Te Ichchataha, Taha Icchanti. Kaha Ichchati, Ko Ichchataha, Ke Icchanti. Or Ka Ichchati, Ke Ichchataha, Kaha Icchanti. Or Kim Ichchati, Ke Ichchataha, Kani Icchanti. Understand? All the pronouns are the proper. Rama Ichchati, Rame. Ichchataha, then.
Ramaha Icchanti.
Like we don't take time to say I am in English, right? I am so fast. You are, it is, they are. Like that in Sanskritam also should happen. Then only the spoken Sanskritam will develop. So that you have to practice like that. Then Ichchasi, Ichchataha, Ichchatha.
Ichchasi, Ichchataha, Ichchatha.
Tvam is understood. Tvam yuvam, yuyam. Tvam Ichchasi, yuvam, Ichchataha, yuyam. Ichchatha. Aham Ichchami, Avam Ichchavaha, Vayam Ichchamaha.
Aham Ichchami, Avam Ichchami, Vayam Ichchamaha.
Labate, labhete, labante.
Labate, labete, labante.
Arihi labate, ari labete.
Areen.
Arayaha.
Arayaha labante.
Arayaha labante. Guruha labate, guru Labete.
लभेते
गुरवः लभन्ते
Nadi labate.
Nadyau
Nadyau labete.
नद्यः
नद्यः लभन्ते
Labante. Same thing we can extend to Arkaranta, other Shabda. We'll do it slowly. Tvam labase, yuvam labhete, yuyam labadve,
Tvam
त्वं
labase.
लभते
Tvam
त्वं
labhete.
लभन्ते
Yam labhadve.
यूयं
aham
लभन्ते
labe, avam labhavahe, vayam labhamahe.
Aham
अहं
labhe.
लभे
Avam labhavahe.
आवां
Vayam labhamahe.
वयं लभामहे
What is the meaning of lab?
Gain.
gain
Gain. Aham prapnomi, aham labe, I get, I gain, I attain. Aham moksham labe, I gain, attain moksha. Understand? Then, through dhatu, very important dhatu, you need to memorize. Karoti, kurutaha, kurvanti,
करोति कुरुतः कुर्वन्ति
karoshi, kuruthaha, kurutha,
करोषि कुरुतः कुरुत
karomi, kuruvaha, kurmaha.
करोमि
Karomi.
कुर्वः कुर्मः
Aham karomi, avam, kurvaha, vayam,
वयं
kurmaha.
कुर्मः
Kurmaha is vayam is understood. You should not search for who is the karta. Vayam kurmaha. Kurute, kurvate, kurvate,
कुरुते कुर्वाते कुर्वते
kurushe, kurvate, kurudve,
Kurushe.
कुरुषे कुर्वाते कुर्वे
कुरुद्वे
yuyam,
Kurmahe. Sorry. Kurudve.
कुरुषे
yuyam. I said
कुरुषे
कुरुद्वे
Kurudve, no?
yuyam. Okay.
Kurudve.
Kurudve or kurutha. Kurutha or kurudve. Okay. Aham karomi atava aham kurve.
Yeah.
Okay. This is dhatu is ubhayapadi. If I do it for myself, then kurve. If I do it for others, aham karomi. Aham sahayam karomi.
Oh.
Tesham. For them, I help them. Aham kurve, I do it for myself. I cook for myself, then it is Atmanipadi you have to use. Aham
Kurve.
pachanam kurve.
अच्छा
I cook. Aham pachanam karomi means I cook for others.
Oh.
Aham pachanam kurve means I cook only in the small Vengalakinam, that is only for myself, not for others. Even not for Kaka also. Only for me. Aham kurve, avam kurvahe, vayam kurmahe.
Avam kurvahe. Vayam kurmahe.
Yes. Then Subhashita. यस्माच्च प्रियमिच्छेतु तस्य ब्रूयात् सदा प्रियम् व्याधो मृगवधं कर्तुं गीतं गायति सुस्वरम्
व्याधो मृगवधं कर्तुं गीतं गायति
सुस्वरम
The nice swara it sings. Now Sandhi will see first. Yasmacha.
Yasmad cha.
plus
What's Sandhi?
Smart plus
First is no, you have to tell the order. First is Yasmat
Just
plus
one.
cha is equal to
one.
just one
Just- Jastam. Yes, Jal replaced by Jash. After that,
Then
two in contact with cha.
Chatvam.
Chatuma.
No, Smaj.
Two in contact. I say contact means you have to catch what Sandhi is.
Chutvam
Chutvam.
Chutvam.
Only in
Chutvam.
the context of Chuttam only I will say the contact, the word I use, not in other. So you have to make in contact. Yes. That's what we saw before. Therefore, not Karicha, not Chartam. Chartam comes later. Before that, it's a Chuttam will come and do the job.
Yes.
So Dakara will be replaced by, after that only. After that you have to apply, okay. Dakara will be replaced by what letter? Two in contact with Cha.
Responding cha.
corresponding
What is the letter?
Corresponding
Kara.
What is the letter? Jakara.
Takara.
Now you have Yasmaj plus cha. Can you leave there itself?
No.
No.
After
Chatvam,
Stutvam, you have to see the
two.
sequence have to be followed. You have to apply Chartvam.
Chatvam, 2.
Chartvam 1, right? So must be
Followed
done.
by
Avastha is 2. Okay, fine. Yeah.
Followed by
Chatvam 1.
Chartvam
Must.
to be done. Then you only get Yasmaj. Do you want me to write?
No,
Yeah,
no.
please do that.
Right? Okay. I'll do it.
I really want
1
you.
minute.
That's why.
So, okay. That should be right. 1 minute. I'll write in this document.
That's why.
Yasmaj. I'll write in this document at the end. Yasmat is, what is Yasmat? Huh? What is Vikti? What Vachanam? What is the Shabda
5-1
of
of Yad
Yad Shabda? Pullinga, Srilinga,
Yad
Napumsakalinga.
Pullinga.
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 No,
Sakalinga.
not only Pullinga. Pullinga is okay.
Napumsakalinga also.
Napumsakalinga also. In
Takara.
Srilinga, what about in
Napumsaka.
Srilinga? Form is Panchami Ekavachanam of Yad Shabda.
Yes.
Huh?
Yasyaha.
Yasyaha, Ramayaha, if you know, then you get. Right.
Takara anta yasyaha.
Yasyaha, it is Srilinga. Ramayaha, Yasyaha. So now Yasmacha. First you apply Jashtom 1. Jal, Padanta Jal, replaced by corresponding Jash letter. Then
Jash
after
letter.
that, this is 2. You have to see. Now your perception should change. You should not say this is a Jal letter again. Beginning it was Jal letter. At the end of the Padam, this is one Padam. This is Cha is another Padam, Avyaya Padam. So beginning you have to see you have to look upon the Takara as a Jal letter. That is what the practice is. Replaced by corresponding Jash letter. Now don't say Jash letter. That is not. Now 2 in contact because we know the sequence. What is the sequence? Sequence is
Jashvam.
Utvam, Dhatvam, Jastvam 1, Rutvam,
Yeah.
Shatvam, Natvam, Shutvam, Shtutvam, Jastvam 2, Chartvam 1, Chartvam 2.
that is the sequence. The sequence have to be familiar.
Then in between Shtutvam, we have Anunasika Sandhi also, right?
Yes, that also is there. Yeah, that we'll keep adding more also. In fact, Anunasika Sandhi we have learned. So therefore, that also is there. Yes. Okay, so that be familiar with this. So if you see the sequence is not permanent. It will keep updating. Utvam, Datvam we have not seen. I think we'll see. Jashtam, then Rutvam, Shatvam, Natvam, then Shutvam, then Shtutvam, Anunasika, then Jashtam to Chartam 1. So we are in this stage. Where are we after applying Jashtam 1? You have to see whether this is possible. Ruttam possible? No.
No.
Shattam? No. All this possibility rule out. There's Shuttam? Yes.
Yes.
Therefore, what is Shuttam? Shuttam means then,
2 in contact with Shtu.
now Dakara here, it is not don't look upon this as a Jal or Jash. Now this is Tavarga in contact with succeeding Chavarga letter. Therefore, Shuttam will apply, replace that by corresponding Tavarga letter, which is Jakara. Now Jakara is now the next step. You have to know the sequence again. See the sequence. The sequence I have it in a paper, scribbling pad, something always keep in front. Stuttam.
Then
Ruled out.
Shtutvam.
Stuttam not possible.
Anunasika.
All these are not possible.
Jashvam.
Not possible.
Not possible. What about Jashtam, which requires a condition should be
Not
followed
possible.
by,
Followed by Jash letter.
Not possible.
which is
Jal
not there here.
plus
Yes.
Jal followed by Jash. That
Letter
is not
there,
there.
not Jash.
Ruled out. Next one, Chartam. Yes.
Chartvam,
Jal
yes.
followed by Khar. Possible.
That's why you have to apply. Therefore, Jakara will become now corresponding Char letter is. What is the Char letter of Jakara? Char means first
Jakara.
letter of
Jakara.
first letter of the class.
Cha,
That is
cha.
Jakara. That's what you get. Isma Cha. Right. Similarly, tasmat plus cha, tasmat cha, tat plus cha, tat cha, yat plus cha, yes, cha. Understand?
Yes.
Chitraji.
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
Yes, cha. That is what is here. Yes, cha, priyam, ichetu. This is also you have to split actually. Ichet is kriya padam. We have not seen what it is. We will see. It is a ling lakara. We know only ichati. It is fine. Ichetu. Okay, let us do sandhi. What is ichetu sandhi? Split that. Ichetu. Now splitting. Okay, not joining. Ichetu. One word is tu. What is it? What should be the other word?
Ichet.
Ichet. This is the ling lakara. We have not seen. We will see what is in later. So it must be ichet. So it must have been. We do the reverse. Iched plus 2. Or iched, whatever. Jakara.
Ichet.
Should be jakara. And before that, so that means arrow mark should be the other way. So we are splitting, not joining. Okay. So iched plus 2, then must be iched, then it is iched. Then
Dakara.
justom here, iched. Then further it could be iched. Back to same one, but it is not same, it is different.
Wow.
You follow?
Yes,
The
sir.
reverse same. As you go up, so you climb down also. Ichetu, first is tu, you have to spot tu, the word, it's avayam, avayapadam. Ichet is here itself directly, you can do it, nothing wrong. But taught you the sequence, you do it. What is the next one we did? Ichet plus 2, we can take it as a chartvam. And the order now you have to go from down to up. Chartvam is done first. Now we are splitting. For adding, we move from up down. Now we go from bottom to then the reverse order. Chartvam we have applied. Then what is
Then
justam possible?
Chutvam.
No. Chutvam. So Chuttam must have come in the place of Chuttam. That is Shu Adesha in the place of Tavarga. Right? Therefore, sorry, here how can we apply? Shamitam. Sorry, that's a mistake in this. Sorry for this. It is not Cha, it is tu. So this will not apply at all. This is Tavarga in contact with Tavarga. Okay, Shamitam. There is no Chuttam here. Chuttam will happen only when it is contact with Chavarga. Here both are Tavarga. How will you apply? Come on. Somebody should have pointed out this. Yes or no?
Right. Yes.
When you apply Chuttam here, where is the possibility here? Both are Tavarga letter. It is unlike the previous example. Right? Where Cha is the Tavarga in contact with. First you apply Ichet plus 2. Okay, this is a Jal letter followed by Kar Chartam. You are applying. Fine. Why do you apply Chuttam here? There is no Chavarga here. Tavarga not in having contact Chavarga. It is Tavarga followed by Tavarga only. Therefore, we cannot apply. Therefore, skip Chuttam. Then what will come? What will you apply? See this list again. Chuttam ruled out. Then Nattam, no. Shattam, no. All these are no. Justam one, yes. Possible. Right? Because this is a Padam. Therefore, by Justam in the place of Takara, what would have been there? Takara must have been there. Right? Replace this letter by Dakara. The Takara which has come due to Chartum, now it is by Justum, it is Dakara. Then this Dakara is a just letter, must have come in the place of Jal letter, which is Takara. Ichetu. This is how we have to do the splitting. Is it clear? So the list is important. The list you have to go up and down. If you move from the top to bottom, it is joining. From bottom to up, down up, it is splitting. As you climb down, you have to climb up also. This list is important. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, Sharanji.
Yes.
So don't apply Shutta Mandal blindly.
Okay.
Right.
Generally, our tendency is, no, the previous example that gets entered into your buddhi and that remains. We apply it. No, you have to be, every time when you do, you have to be fresh. No, fresh means not every time you forget everything and come. That is not it. You have to apply fresh all the rules. Huh? So that is priyam icchetu. Tasya bruyat sada priyam. Okay, let us see. Tasya, what vibhakti?
6-1.
6-1.
6-1.
Bruyat also ling lakara, which we will see later. Bruyat, may one say, speak. Sada, avyayam. Priyam. So now bruyat, may tasya bruyat sada priyam. Yasmat cha priyam ichet. Tasya bruyat priyam. From whom you
Get.
priyam ichet. You, from whom you
Gain.
you gain.
Yeah.
Something you want to gain. Speak with softly. With love you speak to him. You will get what you want, right? Like what? Vyadho mrigavadam. What sandhi? Vyadho.
Utvam. Utvam and Guna.
Preceded by a, followed by ash letter. Then kara desha guna. So vyadaha is a karta. Karta of what kriya? Gayati. Vyadaha, the hunter sings. His intention is what? Mrigavadam kartum icchanna. He wants to do mrigavada, ant, the mriga animal. Mrigasya vadaha. Mrigavadam kartum. What does he do? He sings a song. Geetam gayati. How the song is? Suswaram. Geetam suswaram gayati. Suswaram is adverbial to gayati. How does he sing? Melodiously. In English we have LY, no? Quickly, softly, slowly. LY. Suswaram. Katam gayati. Suswaram gayati. Adverbial. It is adverb. He sings very melodiously. Like the Vyada who sings melodiously a song to hunt animal. Similarly, the person also must speak with love to the person from whom he wants to gain something. Priyam ichet. Yasmat, from whom we expect love or whatever it may be. Then you have to talk to him. The love, that's the meaning. The good Subhashita. Okay. In Kartum also, it is Makara, replaced by Anuswara. What sandhi is that? I think we have seen, yes. Anuswara, I think we have seen, no, that sandhi? Not yet, otherwise.
Not it.
Not yet, I think. Okay, we'll
No,
see.
no.
That is not a big sandhi, simple one. We'll see that later. Okay, fair enough. Amarakosha. Swara vyayam swarganakat divatradashalayah.
Swaravyayam
Suraloko dyotivodve striyam klibet trivishtapam. Amara nirjara devas tradasha vibudhas suraha. Suparvanas sumanasas tridivesha divaukasah. All these words are synonyms for
Deva.
Deva.
Deva. Vriddhihadij. Adeng gunaha. Iko guna vriddhi. Na dhatalopa ardha dhatuke. Iti cha. Didhi ve bhitam. Didi is not Mamta Banerjee. Didi is a dhatu. Didi and baby, these are dhatus. Special dhatus. Halo nantara sanyogaha. Mukhanasika vachano nunasikaha. Tulyasya prayatnam savarnam. Ajjalau.
Jalau.
Here we are to 64th shloka. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha.
Om Shri Paramatmane
Namaha.
Shri Bhagavata Dvitiyo Dhyayah.
Atadvidyodyayah
Shri Bhagavanuvacha.
Shri
Shri Bhagavanuvacha
Ragadvesha Vimuktaistu Vishayanindriyaischaran.
Ragadvesha Vimuktaistu Vishayanindriyaischaran
Atma Vashyayirvidheyatma Prasadamadigaccati.
Atma Vashyayirvidheyatma Prasadamadigaccati.
Now Sandhi. Ragadvesha
Mukta.
Viyuktaihi.
Vimuktaihi. What is Sandhi here?
This is followed by kar letter. Visarga followed by letter.
Therefore, Visarga is replaced by Sakara.
Sakara.
Vishayan Indriyaishchara. No Sandhi, but split here.
Vishayani Indriya.
No. Vishayan.
Indriya.
Ah, no Sandhi there. Okay. Joining, just a mirror.
Indriyahi.
Yeah, Indriyaishcharan. What Sandhi?
Indriyahi plus Charan.
Charan.
Same thing.
Visarga followed by
Khar.
therefore Sakara. Now Sakara in contact with
Chaka.
Two.
Chakara.
Visarga. So in the list Visarga. So start from Ruttam also if you want you can do fine. Visarga has come. Ruttam is nothing but Ruttam, then Visarga Desha. Ruttam means we understand that after that Visarga will come in the place of
Repa.
Repa. So Visarga Desha. So Visarga now after that Shattam happened, no. Natvam happened, no. Then Visarga is replaced by
Adesha Sakara.
Sakara. That is also is there. I'm adding that also. Sakara Desha. Okay. Now Sakara is come. Ruttam, Visarga Desha, Sakara. Now Sakara in contact with Chuttam. So already we have done. I have not added this. I don't want. Now anyway we require because we apply here. Sakara Desha. After that Chuttam apply. That is by Vishayan Indriyaischaran. Okay. Then Atma Vashyayir Videyatma. What Sandhi?
Atma.
Vashyaihi Vidhe.
Vashyaihi. Any Sandhi is there?
No.
Letter.
That is actually
No
Ru is Repa.
No Sandhi.
Vashyaihi.
No Sandhi.
Visarga is nothing but Ru. Therefore, Repa.
No is preceded by Ich, followed by.
Yeah, therefore Repa. One step back. Always remember. Inference.
Yes.
There is no rule actually. Then Prasad the Madhigachati. No Sandhi.
Can we
Yes.
type it?
Prasadam Adhigachati.
Elanam.
Yes. Yeah. What is that? Can we say? What is that?
Rutvam.
Of course, Ruttam happens and only that Visarga will come. Yes. Ruttam happens in the place of Sakara. Yes. Then Repa is there. What Sandhi have? What Ru is there? What Sandhi will happen? No Sandhi.
Correct.
Of course, Ruttam, when you have to decline, this is a Padam, right? So Padanta Sakara must be there. Okay. Atma Vashyaihi. What Vibhakti? What Vachanam?
Vashyaihi must be
Ramahi.
Ramaihi. Why Srilinga?
No.
3-1.
Srilinga.
Rama.
3-3.
Sorry.
Ramayai. Huh?
Rama.
That here, that is not Ramayai. This is Vashyaihi. Don't forget Visarga.
3-3.
3-3.
3-3.
Yes, Ramehi 3-3. Prasade sarva dukkhanam hanirasyopajayate.
Prasade sarva dukkhanam
Anirasyotvajayate.
Prasanna chetaso hyashu buddhih paryavatishthate.
Prasannachetaso yasu buddhi paryavatišthate.
You can say, tell Prasade, what Vibhakti, what Vachanam?
7-1.
Rame.
Guna.
Yes.
7-1.
7-1.
Prasadi. Okay.
In Prasadas, it is, I think, maybe Vishaya Saptami. Anyway, Sarva Dukkhanam, what vibhakti?
6-1.
No.
6-3.
No.
Three.
6-3.
Three.
Here what Sandhi?
Ani.
Hani. Hani.
No Sandhi.
No Sandhi.
No
No
Sandhi.
Sandhi. Not no Sandhi here.
First Uttam.
Anihi. No. Anihi asyopajayate. No Sandhi.
Yeah.
Room preceded by E. See,
Yeah.
whenever, see this Avarna is very important. Whenever only when it is preceded by Avarna, then only some changes will happen. Otherwise, no, nothing. Even if you say Guna Sandhi, Vriddhi Sandhi, what is the preceding letter? In Guna and Vriddhi Sandhi?
Akara.
Avarna, right?
Avarna.
Avarna.
Sorry. Avarna.
So Avarna makes the difference. When Avarna is followed by Ik, Guna. When Avarna is followed by H, Vriddhi. Right?
Yes.
You see, you take all the vowels, you put it like this. See the importance of Avarna. When Avarna is preceding, then something, some change happens. It's so obvious in Visarga Sandhi, Ru preceded by A only. Ru preceded by A, followed by A, Ru preceded by A, followed by Ash. So Avarna is something special, right? Avarna. Everywhere Avarna you see. Avarna followed by the Ik letter or H letter, you will have Guna or Vriddhi, respectively. Guna and Vriddhi. If it is Ik letter preceding, then Yan Sandhi. If it is H letter, Vriddhi Sandhi. Understand?
H
is Ayadi, right?
H is
H, sorry. Ik followed. Ayadi Sandhi. Kshamitam. Yes. If preceding letter is Ik followed by H, Ayadi Sandhi. Yan Sandhi. If preceding letter is H followed by H, Ayadi Sandhi. If the preceding letter is Avarna, then following letter is, if it is, suppose, Savarna, then Savarna Dirgha Sandhi, this is number one. Or if it is followed by Ik, then Guna Sandhi, followed by H, Vriddhi Sandhi, right? So only in Avarna we have this special. So Avarna is important. Don't take it Avarna lightly. Even in Uttama also, this is what happens, right? So if you add all those things, what do you get? The whole thing is Ach only. Savarna, that is A, Ik plus H. That's what I said. Avarna followed by H. Avarna followed by H. Their possibility is, depending on what follows, we have Savana Dirgha Sandhi or Guna Sandhi or
Vriddhi
what?
Sandhi.
Vriddhi Sandhi. Depending on what follows. Ik letter followed by H, N Sandhi. H letter followed by H, Ayadi Sandhi. Right? So this is what, finally, what is everything is H plus H only, right? You add everything, you get H plus H. But this H alone we have split into Avarna plus Ik plus H. Why Avarna? Because special. Therefore, you should not have doubt with regard to Guna and Vriddhi. Preceding letter is Avarna. Similarly, with regard to Ruttam also. Room preceded by A followed by A. Preceded by A followed by Ash. Room. Uttvadesha. If it is other than Avarna, Akara, then Yakara. Other than these two, if Avarna precedes, then that is Ukara Desha. If Avarna, so not Avarna, if Akara precedes, among the Avarna, if A precedes, then Ru Adesha, right? If A comes, then Yakara Adesha. If other letter comes, what happened to the Ru? Nothing happens.
Nothing else.
Other than this
Inference.
each letter. That is Ru is nothing but Repa. Repa remains as it is. This Who comes in the place of Ru. And Yakara comes in the place of Ru. What about other than this? Are there any other vowel? Repa remains as it is. So depending on what follows, either if a vowel follows add, the consonant is there, that will be, just Repa will be there as it is. Right? Understand how the whole thing operates. Makes sense, right?
Repa follows is a difference, right?
Sorry?
When Repa follows.
Repa follows,
Yeah,
yes.
of
That's
course.
a special.
That of course, yes.
Yeah.
Repa follows, what will happen among the
The
letter?
previous Repa becomes Lopa.
That is
And
in
the
the case of
preceding
that in the
Avarna.
case of year only, not year only, each letter followed by year. Not in the case of
Yeah. Yes.
the other. Please note.
Yes.
That is
Yes.
applicable only here only. Repa followed by Repa. Okay. So now here, Where are we? Hanihi asyopa. You should not even think. Hanihi preceded by what letter? E. The repa is there. Just join with the following. Bubble asya, anirasya. What big sandhi here? Huh?
No sandhi.
Asyopajayate. What sandhi?
Asya
Asya
upajayate.
upajayate.
Guna sandhi.
Guna sandhi.
Avarna followed by guna letter. Sorry,
letter.
ik letter. Therefore, guna happens. Right?
Yes.
Hmm.
Similarly, prasanna chetaso. Okay, before that, hyashu. What is hyashu? Hyashu.
E plus asu.
What's sandhi?
E plus asu. Hyasu. That is the end sandhi.
It's a thing.
N sandhi. E plus your ikara. Ik letter. Now here what sandhi? Prasanna chetaso.
Utvam.
Utvam.
Utva and then guna.
Yes. Buddhi paryavatishtate. Buddhi paryavatishtate. Upadmaniya.
Padma.
Right.
Oh, Buddhif Paryavadishta.
Paryavatishtate.
Sharanji, how did this Hya become E plus Ya?
E plus ashu. What sandhi? N sandhi.
Acha, E plus A. Okay.
E is the word. It's an avya. E plus E, not E.
Okay.
He plus He
Okay.
plus ashu. Yeah, ashu.
Okay.
Right. Okay. Fine. The Shtuttam. Okay, what is Shtuttam which we saw in the last class? Shtuttam.
Stu in contact with Shtu.
How many possibilities total?
8 possibilities.
Possibilities with
Eight.
2 exceptions.
2 exceptions. 1 exception we saw.
No, both I think. You taught us both.
No, only
Then
one I
two
taught.
is-
Other exception I said we will see later. Tomorrow, this
Two is
class.
followed by Shakara, then Shtutam.
One is the 2 succeeding shakara.
Yes, that is what we saw.
Will not
that
get
is-
replaced.
that is the
Padanta 2. You did
no,
it.
Padanta too. Yes.
Preceded by Padanta 2 will not be replaced by 2.
I think 2 followed by Shakara is what we have to see. But we have to see today. You asked some doubt where Shuttam doesn't happen. I think Krishna Swamiji. You asked, I think this is the exception.
Yeah.
Okay, now you see.
Shanji, I have a
Bode.
question on the previous class. We did an example, Brihat plus Tika.
Hmm.
Can
Yeah.
we look at that again?
Brihatika.
Yeah.
Yeah, see, first we do Justvam 1,
Yes.
right? After Shutvam will come, right?
Shtuttam, is it applicable here? 2 in contact with the 2, right?
Yakara is there. No, it's not applicable. So we'll directly go to Shtutvam. Yes. Okay.
No. If it is applicable, do it. Where is Shtuttam here? Shtutvam only applies.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, now. So, 2 in contact with 2. So, exception, we have all the 8 possibilities. I mean, among the 2 exceptions, some are not possible. That combination is not possible. That also we have seen. Now, the exceptions we have to see. 1 exception we have seen, other exception. But anyway, we'll see the 2 exceptions. Exception number 1. 2 is followed by Shakara. It means what is the preceding letter? 2.
2.
Following letter, Shakara. So
Shakara.
2 in
Shakara.
contact with Shakara, which succeeds. That's all I say, succeeding contact. Then
Yes.
Shtuttam will not happen. Example, Bhavan plus
Bhavan
Shashtaha.
Tasyaha.
Don't make this Nakara 2 ya Murdanya Nakara. It will not happen.
Yes.
2 in contact with Shakara. Right? Is it clear?
Yes.
This is Tavarga followed by Shakara.
Shakara. Murdanya Shakara.
Murdanya Shakara. What is the example doubt you asked Krishna Swamiji? That the same thing came up. Something you asked.
And I forgot.
It was, yesterday, yesterday in Devi Atharva Shirsham we were seeing this. Vangmaya Brahmasus Tasmat
Yes, right. There also, Brahmasus Tasmat
Shashtham.
Shashtama.
Yes, Shashtham Vaktramavanvitam. Sorry, Vaktra Samanvitam.
So, what is the Brahma Sustat, right?
Yes.
Plus Shashtam.
Sustasmat Shashtam.
So, Sustasmat, okay. Tasmat Shashtam. Same thing only. See, same example. Same example means same, again, Nakara here, Shashkara here, Takara. That's it. Example. Same thing. So, here, Tuttam na bhavati. This is what I said that we have not seen, we will see today. So, Tavarga in contact with Shakara, no Sandhi. So, you have to remember the exception first. Don't remember the general. First exception you have to remember. See, general rule and exception, both are applicable in the given context. Then which will take precedence? Exception. If you keep on applying the general rule, then when exception will apply? Then why exception is there? It becomes useless. That's why exception is stronger. So that applies, that overrules the general rule. This is one exception. Second exception is where stu is preceded by 2. What type of 2? There is one condition is there. Padanta 2. So now stu is preceded by Tavarga letter at the end of the Padam. Otherwise it will happen. Okay, suppose if Tavarga not at the end of the Padam, then Shrutam will happen. Example, Virat plus Tapati, we saw this. Now 2 in contact with 2 and yet Virat is a Padam. So will Shrutam happens? No. Shrutam happens. No, it will not happen. Virat Tapati, which we saw. And we have exception 3. I said 2 exception. What is exception 3? That is exception to this exception. Exception to the exception will be what? General, back to Shrutam
Sharaji,
only.
can you repeat this?
Which one? This Sandhi, this rule.
Yeah, stu preceded by Padanta.
2 preceded by Tavarga letter. So here we have 2 Tavarga letter in contact with the preceding Tavarga letter. Yes or no?
Yes.
And where is this Tavarga letter? What is its position? At the end of the Padam.
Padanta.
Yeah. Therefore, Shrutam will not happen. Therefore, Takara will not be replaced by Takara. Don't make it Virat Tapati. Huh? Virat will not do Tapati. Only will do Tapati. The first Shrutam will not happen here. Okay. Similarly, you can take, for example, the word for Raja, another word is Rat. Okay. Rat, Raja, Dagati. Then you do Shrutam here.
Rad
Yes or no?
Dahati.
Rat, only. You can apply sequence, you have to apply. Here also a sequence I have not mentioned, but you have to know the sequence. What is sequence here? Directly don't do.
Shashtam
Virat will become
Takara.
Virat.
Jastam 1.
Jastam 1. Then after that,
Just
Shrutam
one.
not possible. But followed by Kar letter. This is a Jal letter. Therefore, what will happen? That becomes
Shashtam 1.
Virat back to Tapati. So what happened to Shrutam? Shrutam is not applied. You understand?
Yeah.
Yes.
It's not directly we are adding like this. Okay, I took it for granted that you know. But anyway, Jastam 1 you have to apply.
Chartvam.
After that, Shrutam,
Chartvam.
Shrutam, na bhavati. If you want, you can write Shrutam,
Okay.
na bhavati. So you keep it as it's a Dakara. Okay, let it be Dakara. Then third, after that, Shrutam, what comes? Chartvam.
1.
Chartam bhavati or na bhavati? Bhavati.
Yes.
Jal letter followed by
Kar
Kar
letter.
letter. So here,
Chartvam.
Chartvam
Shashtam
happens.
1.
Chartvam happens.
Yeah.
Similarly, Rat plus Dagati. Same thing here also. Whether it is Virat or Rat, what is that? Same thing. Rat means Raja, king. That also we will see how it is declined, derived and all. So first is Jastam, Rat, Dagati. Raja burns. then becomes Shtuttam bhavati va na bhavati. After Jashtam, Shtuttam will not happen. Then Chartam will happen. Rat, Dagati. Okay.
Justvam too should happen, right? Before the
Huh?
Justvam too.
Oh, yeah, possible. Yes.
Justvam.
Yes, that's true. Yes, I missed it. Because Jal letter followed by Dagati. In this case, yes, it's yes.
Yes.
But not in the previous case. In this case, yes. Jashtam too applicable. Yes, that's true. Jal letter followed by Jash. So Jashtam 2 and then Chartam 1. Yes. Here it will not happen because followed by Kar letter.
Yes.
Okay. Then now exception to exception. This exception. This is exception 2, which is clear. Now exception to exception 2 will be general rule.
General.
So it means if that's 2 in contact with 2, Padanta 2, it will happen for only 3 words. So don't worry, not for many words. Only for these 3 words. Nama, that is Nam, Navati, and Nagari. Navati is 90. It's a numeral. Nagari means city. Srilinga. Nam is a pratyaya. What is the pratyaya? Shashti Bhakti, Ramanam, Harinam, Gurunam, Pitrunam, that that becomes Nam. Becomes Nam. Just now we chanted now. Nas os That becomes Nam because of some Agama. One Nut Agama will happen. Don't worry about that. We are not interested in that. That is a pratyaya, I remember. That is enough. Otherwise, I can write here. It is 6-3. Shashti Bhakti Bhagavachana Pratyaya. It is a Pratyaya. Navati and Nagari are the words. But Nam is a, don't think Nam is a Nama. No, it is Nam is a Pratyaya. Then Shtuttam will happen. No, when Nam follow us, then what happens to what this enjoys? Something it enjoys, no? The Sangha, the Pratipadikam.
Status of Padam.
Padam, because followed by Haladi Asarvanamasthana Pratyaya, right? Therefore, this will enjoy the status of
Padam.
Padam.
so Shan plus Nam. Directly I'm writing. Now I will
Shannam.
do the step. Now Tavarga in contact with the Tavarga which precedes at the end of the Padam, Tuttam happens because that is exception for Nam. Therefore, Shannam. Understand? Is it clear? Huh?
Yes.
Yes.
Now this, because we know Anunasika Sandhi, we can little do. I think so. Actually, it is Shat. Shat plus Nam. I'm writing how it comes. Shat plus Nam. Please see. This is how we have to do. Shat is originally Shat. What is the next rule we will apply? Nam follows Haladi. With a bracket, if you want, you write it. It is Haladi Asarva
Pratyaya. Sarvanam.
Nama Pratyaya. Therefore, Anga enjoys
Hetul Bhakti Padam.
Padasanya. Therefore, what rule will apply?
Jastu.
Yes. Therefore, Shad. Shad plus Nam. Right? Then after that, what will happen? Will apply? You apply? You apply what?
Anunasika will come.
Anunasika, have the list with you. This list of rules.
Before that, Shtuttam will come.
See, first Jashtam we applied, right? Rutvam, no. Visargadesha, no. Sakaradesha, no. Shattam, no. Shattam, this is different Shattam. Okay.
Natvam.
Nattam, no. Nattam is what?
Nakara will be plus Nakara.
That is here. Where is that? Repa. No,
Apadanta nakara. No.
Nakara.
no, don't worry. This is both are, that should be the same padam. This also cannot be applicable. Shuttam, no. Shtuttam, yes. Don't confuse with this Nattam. Okay. Nattam is for Apadanta Nakara And Repa Shakara Kara must be in the same padam. Here we are joining two padams. Okay. Shad is a padam, Nam is another. It's a pratyaya. Shad enjoys the state of padam. Shtutvam alone will apply, right? Next one. So apply Shtutvam. Applying Shtutvam, what do you get?
The Nakara will be replaced by Nakara.
Applying Shtutvam, therefore here Shad plus Nam. Now you apply, what is the next one?
Anuna.
Anunasika Sandhi.
Anunasika
What is
Sandhi.
Anunasika Sandhi?
No.
Padantayar followed by
Exactly. Padantayar followed by
Anunasika.
Anunasika.
Anunasika letters.
Therefore,
here.
will
Now
be
you have
replaced by
to change your perception. This Dakara is a yer letter. Yes or no?
yes.
Mhm.
Yes.
What is yer? What is yer?
All consonants.
All consonants.
Except
Ha.
Akara.
Ha.
sibilants, not Dakara. Sibilants, yer, right? Shashasar, Hal. And
Yes.
there we start from ya only, ha is removed. Except sibilants.
Shasha.
Pratyahara must be very thorough. Oh, I'm getting late. I think I have to stop with this. So now here followed by Anunasika. Therefore, Dakara will be replaced by corresponding its Anunasika letter, which is
Nakara.
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 But it looks as though because of here, the first step itself, Nakara in contact, that is not true. Please understand, right? You have to write all these steps. Then only you get Shanna. Directly, if you do Shuttam, bypassing all that is, here you may get the right form, but not everywhere. Understand? So here we have to apply first is Justum. Justum 1, followed by Shtutvam.
Followed by Anunasika Sandhi.
Please note this. Directly you cannot apply, you should not apply. Then what's the purpose of doing all this thing? Then here we apply Anunasika. That's Anunasika, that's why Anunasika we saw. Anunasika Sandhi. Which is optional, in fact, yes or no?
Yes.
Replaced by Dakara by Nakara is optional. Therefore, two forms we have. We can say here itself. Shadnam or
Shadunam or
Shadnam.
Shadnam.
both are okay. Shadnam also is correct only. Shad. And there we have to apply Shad plus Nam. Okay, of course, there we apply, right?
Even
Shtuttam only we
Shannavati.
apply. Yeah, they're also same thing.
Shannavati.
Here also we have to do the same thing. Similarly,
Second plus
Shannagari
Navati.
also we have to do same thing. Shannavati or Shad.
Shannavati.
Navati. Shannagari or Shad.
Kadunagari.
Nagari. But we have to follow the steps. Okay, please do it for yourself and then see. I will do it in the next class. So we'll stop here. 8:40. I have to get ready for my class. Maybe Saturday we will have time. Sorry, Wednesday we'll do. Wednesday we will have time. We'll stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidham Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnamevavashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om
Dhanyawada Sharanji.
Dhanyawada.
Dhanyawada.
Dhanyawad.
Dhanyawada Sharanji.
Dhanyawada. Sir, nobody is there to supply fruits. I think who will supply fruits?